Welcome to Karura Forest, where you experience the beauty of nature at its finest. It's a beautiful day. Let's see how beautiful Karura is. Kwanza sai with the rains, it's so green and so peaceful and quiet. You see, that's how beautiful it is. In a vlog. Can you tell me one fun fact about Karura? Yes. Do you mind being in my vlog?
My name is Jonathan. Karura Scout, also a tour guide here.
Yeah.
So I think the one fun fact is that Karura is amongst the most visited, the most visited place in Kenya at the moment.
Yeah.
We receive like more than 60,000 visitors in a month. So that totals to like 600,000 in a year.
Oh.
So it's the most visited. Another thing, I think the closest urban green space within the city. So from here to CBD, it can take you less than 10 minutes if there's no traffic. That means if someone who lives around the town can access Karura Forest very easily. Also, it's one of the most cleanest green space because we are plastic free. We don't allow single-use plastic. That includes the sodas or the drinks, the water. You need to come with a reusable water bottle or glass, and also metal one. That's the one that's unallowed.
Okay.
So there's no litter in the forest, so it's one of them also the cleanest place to do a walk.
Yeah.
So that's the best that sells Karura Forest.
Thank you. Ready to get started? Let's get lost in the wild. Let's enjoy the beautiful. Can you hear the birds chirping? Perfect. Let's get lost in nature. The good thing about Karura is they have like pointers, so you know exactly which route to take, which trail to take. Like for instance, the waterfall. For me, I'm headed down to the waterfall, and it's like the shortest trail to the waterfall, so you won't get lost so easily. Plus, there are numbers, so you can tell. Kama unaenda deeper, you'll know, and you're supposed to exit, then you'll know you're going deeper instead of exiting. It's easier to maneuver around. So let's go see the waterfall. I just saw something that caught my attention. Samsung 10,000 trees. It's 2017 to 2018. Wow. That's nice. And now tumefika 12B, so we're still going. We can choose to either go this way or down this way. Yeah, I choose to go this way.
Hello.
Hi.
Sawa.
Niko sawa. Santi. Yeah. So Samsung planted 10,000 trees right here, 2017 to 2018. That's 1 year. That just poses a challenge to us. How many trees have you planted this year? As a matter of fact, Jana in Kenya we were given a holiday because it's called Tree Planting Day. So it was a holiday for Kenyans. But y'all, did you plant your trees? Did you?
Yes,
I think probably because most people wait, because unajua wanatumia hiyo route na magari.
Oh, das wird toll.
Imagine how many years these trees have been here. Look at that. And we're lucky today it's sunny. Yeah. Ooh. Let's do this, guys. Hi.
Hi.
People are keeping fit. People are keeping fit. People are choosing healthy habits. Yeah? What are you doing? What are you doing with your life? Please make a wise decision when it comes to fitness and, you know, your health. Some things we take for granted, like now coming to Karura. For Kenyans, it's just 100 shillings and you're in. If you have a car, you pay 200 shillings. So what is stopping you from like waking up on a Saturday morning, or you know, if you have the time, then you can do this like so it can be an everyday thing, and then at the end of the day your health will appreciate you for making that wise decision. Yeah. Wow, I've never seen this place this full, and the bridge is gone. What? The bridge is gone, like it's gone. What the? Whoopsie. You see how imagine it may rise all the way so close to the bridge. If it continues raining, then we won't have this bridge here. The force of nature. I mean, a few months ago, hii maji haikuwa this high close to the bridge. Right now, if it continues raining for a few weeks, then we won't have the bridge here. Oh my gosh!
Any bridge.
Bridge is, imagine this bridge is gone. It's gone. Not me being paranoid because I saw a spider web. Anyway, let's continue. Imagine tumefika 27. Last time I updated you guys, I was at 12. So this way to the caves and waterfall, and then 3 kilometers to Kiambu Road. Get see. So recently in Kenya we have been experiencing heavy downpours, and this has caused all the rivers to swell up. Landslides have scarred the earth and even the people. We have braced ourselves for the fury of nature. But amidst all this chaos, a new fear has been unlocked in my heart, and within the heart of Karura Forest is a beautiful waterfall, a hidden gem, a majestic waterfall that normally goes down into a clear pool below. But this time around it was different. The roar of water, once a soothing melody to my ears, now echoed with a new intensity and just a reminder of the power that nature holds. So as I stood before this mighty waterfall, I couldn't help but feel a sense of awe and fear. Awe at the sheer force and the beauty of nature, but also a great deep sense of fear of the unknown, of what lies beyond what we can control. The floods in Kenya have taught us a harsh lesson, a lesson in humility and respect for the force of nature. We are but mere visitors in this world, and it is up to us to protect and preserve the world and nature for the future generation. As I stood there listening to the roar of the waterfall, I made a promise to myself and to the world around me, a promise to respect nature and to cherish its beauty and to never underestimate its power. Because at the end of the day, we are all just a small part of a much larger picture, and it is our sole duty to ensure that this picture remains vibrant and alive for generations to come. Kona jina yani. Trees have names over here. Waterfall done. Caves. To the caves. The caves have a rich history dating back to hundreds, if not thousands of years. And one can only imagine the scenes that played out in these caves. The walls are smooth and cold to the touch, and it whispers a lot of tales from the past, of the lives that were lived and the stories untold. The caves have a significant place in the Kenyan history because during the struggle for independence, that is in the 1950s, the caves served as a hideout for our freedom fighters who were trying to evade the British colonial forces. And this is where they came to seek refuge and shelter from the harsh forces. Being there, I felt a renewed sense of appreciation for the world and the country, Kenya. They are more than just a geological formation, but they link our past as a country and a beacon for our future as Kenyans. So the next time you find yourself in Karura Forest, just take a moment to explore these caves. Listen to the stories, feel the history of Kenya, and marvel in the wonders of the world. My quads are on fire. Apart from that, so good. As I come to the end of this walk, I'm reminded of the importance of nature in my life, in our lives. The chirping birds, the towering trees, and the majestic waterfall and lakes is a sanctuary for both us and wildlife. But amidst all this beauty, I'm also reminded of the fragility of our environment. The recent floods in Kenya are a stark reminder of the importance of climate change and the importance of preserving places like Karura Forest. So as I walk, I make a promise to Mother Nature, a promise to cherish and protect our natural world, to do my part in ensuring that places like Karura remain untouched and unspoiled. So as I bid farewell to this beautiful forest, I carry with me not just memories but a renewed sense of purpose. That's it, guys. We've done a full walk. That's enough for the day. I hope you've enjoyed the video. Make sure you like, subscribe, and share with your friends and family. Till next time, bye.